So Bosco and Roxy's is a gourmet dog treat company. I started this company with my wife Michelle, and we have been making decorated dog cookies for about 7 years, and they're cookies that celebrate seasons like Christmas or Valentine's or a dog's birthday, and we sell them all across North America in both large chain pet stores as well as small corner store boutiques. Well, when we first started making dog treats, it was a completely manual process. We were keeping paper and pencil scripts, and then we moved to Excel, and we found that we really needed to get more complex if we were going to be able to serve the number of customers that we were attracting to our product. And so we looked around and we found that SAP Business One was going to be the solution that would really tie all of these different programs that we were using together. And our production is very sophisticated in the detail and the number of different designs that we have, and we knew that our production specifically would be very complex, and so we needed a solution that worked with SAP Business One, and that was ProcessForce. ProcessForce allows us to get a more complex design of our production needs and allows us to execute it like we anticipate our growth is going to require. So with WMS, the user friendliness of that system allows our employees to be able to just do a few clicks or a few easy maneuvers, and we still maintain the very complex background information that's needed to allow us to plan production, but that complexity is not transferred to our employees who just have to tap or click, and it's very simple for them. So from that implementation perspective, WMS was a key feature for us. With our most recent SQF certification for quality food production, there is a very large traceability component to being certified, and WMS allows us to very easily keep traceability intact with our entire production method.